is there is a module of work called Tuckman teamwork module. It's about how to build the team. Good. Again, teams are built based on diversity, built on the stuff. Doesn't matter. What this Tuckman says? Tuckman says to build a team, there is 4 stages. Stage number 1, forming the team. Stage number 2, storming. Stage number 3, norming. Stage number 4, performing. So there's 4 stages for any team. Good? What do they do? The forming stage is when the team are selected and grouped together. Good? We are grouping the team together. Somebody will tell me, Hassan, I am currently working, you or me, Hassan, currently working in the IT school. The team is already formed. Yeah, but we can consider it as a forming stage when we are collecting people together and we are telling them what they have to do. And most teams start in that form. Even if the teams are there for years, you can still start with them from that point. So the team is there. What is the next stage? Once the teams start working together, start interacting together, this is where the differences will start showing. Good? People will have disagreement. I think we should do it this way. He thinks he should do it this way. I think we should work on it on the night. He should work on it on the morning. I think we should do that. 5 minutes. I think we should do that. He thinks he should do that. Then we start arguing and fighting. I don't want to say fighting, no bunching, but disagreement. So at this stage, it's a very important and critical stage. The team leader, the guy who's building the team, at this stage, he needs to make sure he coach everybody, help people avoid this trouble, give them a console, and try to get them to stay focused on the actual task. But the most important thing, he needs to find out what are they disagreeing about, and he needs to solve it or reach acceptable solution. Good. So I'm putting 5 of you in the team, and there is 3 of you who prefer to work in the evening, and 2 of you prefer to work in the morning. Good. That could cause a tension between the guys. We need to reach out to a settlement, a solution, a middle solution. How can we find something that is acceptable? This is what the storming is about. Now, once that stage passed by, once those 5, 6 things that we are going to argue about, khalas, then we start norming. We know each other. We start doing work. Good. I know this guy will not like to work in the morning. We'll work. Normal work. The 4th stage, at this normal stage, the leader will start step a little bit away. Things are moving. Things are normal now. It's normal to come in the morning. It's normal to check the room. It's normal to check the computer. It's normal to update the ticket. It's normal to talk to the user. It's normal to take the laptop from the user. It's normal to give the laptop to the user. We are doing. The next stage is when the team really understand each other and really sync together. This is when the team start playing as one guy. This is when your team start performing and start doing amazing stuff, because now they are working as a very good team. Good. Once that part happened, the team leader now is actually a team cheerleader. He just encourage people and cheer to them and smile in their faces and tell them that everything is fine and everything is good. He's a cheerleader now. Good. He is telling them that I am good guys. He doesn't have a lot of responsibility now. Now he can go focus on something else. Good. Unfortunately, not every team reached the performing stage. Good. And the main reason they don't is because when they were in the conflict stage, good, when they were in the storming stage, they didn't solve the conflict. They hide it. Good. They hide the conflict. Okay. You know what? I don't want to talk about it. Sarah is crazy. Ahmad is crazy. We don't have Sarah in the class, yeah? Last time I was doing this, Sarah was upset from me. Good. Sarah is crazy. Ahmad is crazy. I don't talk to Sarah. Sarah doesn't talk to Ahmad. We don't show Hassan that this is happening, okay? And this is why the team will never actually work. And if I am a bad team leader, I wouldn't notice this stuff and it will let through me. And then I believe they're good, but they are not good. So you have to make sure in the conflict area, while the conflict is happening, it's not about destroying people or insulting people. It's about reaching to an acceptable solution, something acceptable, something that can still let us do the job and still doesn't make one of the guys do 10 times the other guy and still respect everybody. I'm sure we can find a solution that is acceptable. Good. This is when it's happening, teams will go up to the performing stage. Okay. We will stop here. Good. Next class, inshallah, we will talk about it. Anybody have a question about these 4 stages of the team?